Well guys, I was gonna back into a boat ramp, but the boat ramp is closed.
So today we're gonna try something completely different. I got in myself a Rode professional microphone, and I also have one of my Canon cameras. It's not a GoPro. Normally I film all of my videos using a GoPro. Today it's gonna be slightly different. Unfortunately, when I arrived to this park, this is called Edward Medard, the boat ramp is closed. So we are on a journey to investigate why it is closed. They told me that the water level is so low, and I'm about to test that theory. Now, obviously water level is low, but I don't understand why boat ramp is closed even to the kayakers. So one of the advantages of using a camera like this is because you could actually zoom on things. That off in the background that you see in there, that is a baby egret, I believe. This particular spot where I'm going to, oh, off it goes. This particular spot where I'm taking you to is a very popular place for limpkins. Limpkins are found all across the state, but they are somewhat rare. As a matter of fact, when I first got into the state, I'd say for the first 9 years, I've never actually seen a limpkin. So when I married, when I got into this park, I was really excited. You know, whenever I make videos, I never really bring this sound to you guys, because I kind of think, okay, well, you know, you're not going to be interested in it. But I'm going to start a new series in which I want you guys to kind of experience the world through my eyes a little bit. I think it's worth the trouble. So let's go on a journey. Wow, the water level is low. If you look up on any bank that you see in the picture, water is usually about 4, maybe 5 feet deeper. This island here, which I'm about to swim around, the water level, you could actually see it in the over there. Water is usually higher than that little ledge. And the limpkin, what's really interesting, one way to spot a limpkin in the state of Florida, if you start seeing apple snails, the giant snails, you're more than likely going to see limpkins as well. They're peculiar little birds. Oops, sorry about that. Still getting used to the camera. Absolutely gorgeous birds. Truly spectacular. Look at that. Whether it's a small bird or a big bird, you can find them all here. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. For the first time in 10 years, I'm about to witness something absolutely spectacular. I am seeing, I kid you not, baby limpkins. Wow. What a privilege. What an absolute privilege. Look at that guy. Still fuzzy and everything. Wow, and then there's some other babies in the bush over there. What a cutie. He actually kind of looks like a sandhill crane a little bit. Let me see if I could turn around and get a better shot of the guy. Now, as amazing as this is, filming one of them out like this, that is not the safest place to be for a little birdie, because typically when they're exposed like that, they're a lot more open to the predators. But thankfully for them, there's not that many predators out here. There's the other parent. Look at that. Like a little ostrich. This is just so freaking amazing. And you know, another thing, I've never actually seen them fly. I don't know if they can. But what camera is not picking up, actually, you know what, let me see if I can reposition it. Hopefully the camera is picking this up. What you see there in the bush is the adult catching oysters and giving them to the baby. And the baby is actually picking them up and eating them. How cool is that? Alright, let's move on. I don't want to harass them too much. That's another thing. Do respect wildlife. You know, if you come out to a place like this, be mindful of the fact that they don't particularly want you in the picture. Well, that was quite lazy. Look at that. It was like, I don't feel like flying today. I'm just gonna casually pretend like I'm flying.